Hi guys, welcome to Cloud Tech. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem which was asked in Capgemini interview. The candidate had experience of 3.3 years working as a Java developer, and when he solved this problem and he was selected and he got a CTC of 9 LPA. Okay, now let me discuss the problem statement. The problem statement was he had to write a Java program to determine whether one string is rotation of another string. Okay, so let us consider this as an input. I have string 1 and string 2. String 1 is cloud tech and string 2 is tech cloud. So he had to check whether this tech cloud is a rotational of this cloud tech. Okay, so if you see this tech cloud is a rotation of cloud tech. So you can start from here tech and then come back and see cloud. So this tech cloud is a rotation of cloud tech. That means our output should show string 2 is rotation of string 1. If you see another input string like cloud tech and I have another string which is cloud. So here you can clearly see that cloud is not a rotation of cloud tech. So you should display output like string 2 is not a rotation of string 1. Okay, to implement this, let me start writing a program. So if you see, I have declared a class check string rotation, and inside that I have written a main method which is going to be starting point for my program execution. Now let me declare two strings which will be my input strings. So string str1 equal to, I will take it as a cloud tech. Okay. Let me declare another string str2 equal to, we'll take tech cloud. Okay, I have declared two strings. Now, the very first thing while checking this rotation, I will check whether this two strings have the same length or not. If both strings are having same length, then I will proceed. Otherwise, I will check whether these strings are rotational or not. If both strings are having different length, then I will simply say that string 2 is not rotation of string 1. So for that, let me write the code string str1 dot length. If str1 dot length is not equal to str2 dot length, then I will simply say that this string 2 is not rotation of string 1. So let me write this string 2 is not a rotation of string 1. Okay, if both are having same length, then I will proceed and check if string 2 is rotation of string 1. For that, what I will do, I will concatenate this string with same string. So I will do something like str1 plus str1. So this will become cloud tech plus cloud tech, something like this. Cloud tech, cloud tech. Now inside this string, I will try to search if this string contains this string. Okay, cloud tech contains this tech cloud. So if you see here, tech cloud is available. That means this string is available inside this string. So what I will do to check this, whether this tech cloud is available inside this string or not. So I will write a function, or I will use a function which will tell me whether this string is a substring inside this or not. So I will use index of function that will allow me to this uh, checking operation, substring check operation. So if str1 dot index of str2 is not equal to -1. If it is not equal to -1, that means string 2 is rotation of string 1. So what does this do? If you see the documentation of index of operation, if it doesn't find a string, then it returns -1. Okay, if this string does not exist inside this, then it returns -1. Okay, that means the strings are not rotation. So if it is not returning -1, that means that string contains tech cloud. Okay, so here I will simply write this out. String 2 is rotation of string 1. Otherwise, string 2 is not a rotation of string. Okay, so I will take this and print, paste here. Now let me try to run this program and see what will be the output. So here you can see string2 is rotation of string1. Now let me modify this and take the another case where we had second string as a cloud. And now let me run this program and see what will happen. So if you see here, you can see string2 is not rotation of string1. Okay, so that's it from this videos, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. That will motivate us to create more videos and share knowledge among the users. Thank you. Bye bye.